Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to make chicken saltimbocca. I know it means something amazing like jump in your mouth, and it's all about the prosciutto. So we're using Disogna prosciutto, it's sage leaves, and a whole lot of love. It's not that hard. All right, so I have some chicken thigh fillets here. We're gonna lay them out flat, the bone side up. We can take a sage leaf, we're gonna put it straight on top there. We're gonna take a little bit of cracked pepper, sprinkle that over the top. Now the Disogna prosciutto, if there's a little bit of overlap, you fold it underneath and press it down using a hand, and you'll find it sort of glues together. The curing process of prosciutto, there is a salty component. And so the salty component blended with the sage is what gives you this incredible flavor profile. And a couple more pieces of prosciutto left there. I will eat those while you're not looking. So get your pan nice and hot. Now I'm just gonna dredge. This is not necessary. It really is just to give a little coating to help with the crusting of the chicken. So you're giving a little bit more flour into the sauce, which will create a bit more texture, which will also in turn thicken. So hot pan, a little olive oil, and then we're gonna add the chicken, prosciutto side down. We want that to crisp up. And you always think about when you're cooking something, put your serve side down. That way you get a nice crust on it. You know that your presentation side is already done. You can see the prosciutto started to crisp up. That's gonna give us texture. Give it maybe 4 or 5 minutes in the oven. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to steam fry or fry steam. So grab myself a pan, it's got a lid that goes on top. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. I'm gonna add the Fioretto. We keep all the goodness. We're only using a small amount of water. We're not gonna drain away the water and throw all the goodness down the sink. Get it started, pinch of salt, water goes in, lid goes on. It only takes a couple of minutes to steam through so it's tender, and you're not tipping all the goodness down the sink. It stays in the pan. So just chopping the parsley. So I'm using the stems as well. No need to throw them out. So this we can lift over here, let rest for a few moments. Our chicken can come back, we'll up the heat. But now we need to make the sauce. So remove the chicken. We have a little bit of masala we're gonna add away from the heat. You'll find as it reduces, the bubbles will get smaller and smaller. Then we're gonna add a little bit of chicken stock. That will help lift some of the sediment from the bottom of the pan. That's all flavor. And now we're adding our delicious Devondale rich creamy butter. That goes straight in. At this point, you can turn the heat off. We're gonna throw in a good pinch of parsley, gently swirl it around. The butter will emulsify and make the sauce nice and thick. So then to plate, just a couple of chicken thighs. Any liquid that comes out of the chook goes straight back in the sauce. The Fioretto, straight on the plate. Look how bright, vibrant that is. A couple of roasted kifla potatoes. Now this is what brings the dish together, is when you've taken all that roasting juice on the bottom of the pan, you've added a little bit of masala, chicken stock, parsley, and rich creamy Devondale butter. And there you have another winner. Chicken Saltimbocca. Ozharvest needs your help right now. There are way too many Aussies going hungry. All we need you to do is donate. For every $1 that you donate, you can connect one person to 2 meals. It's that easy. It's time to make a change. We're here for hope.